Let's solve this question. The subgroup of Z generated by 7, what that will be? Operations are not given. Can you notice? So you also have to tell me the operation. So what is the operation here? Operation is not given. So what is the operation? The subgroup of Z generated by 7. The operation is addition. The operation is addition. What is the operation here? The subgroup of Z24. What is the addition? What is the operation? Operation is addition modulo 24. Okay, so tell me the answer for A. In the answer for A, subgroup generated by 7, what that will be? That will be 7Z. So what is the order of 7? Order of 7 will be infinite. Order of n, that will be nz. Order of n will be simply nz. Order of 0, that will be simply so I can say order of n, that also will be infinite if n is not equal to 0. So subgroup generated by n, that will be nz. Subgroup generated by 0, that will be 0. So this is done. This question we have done. Okay. What about this? The subgroup of Z24 generated by 15. You have to focus on 15 only. Just focus on 15. Z24, addition modulo 24. You have to find the subgroup generated by 15. Then what that means? That means 15 power 1. What is 15 power 2? Tell me. 15 power 2. So that is 15 plus 15 mod 24. So that is 6. Because 15 power 2, that means 15 plus 15 mod 6. So that will be 6. What is 15 power 3? So now you don't have to calculate. 15 power 3 means 15 power 2 into 15. And this is already 6. So basically this means 6 plus 15 mod 6. Mod 24. Mod 24. So that will be 21. So that will be 21. What is 15 power 4? Now you don't have to calculate. This is a finite group. Definitely order is finite. So ultimately you are going to get identity element because this is a finite group. So you will definitely get identity element. You don't have to start from 0 because this is a finite group. Because it is a finite group, so every element has order finite. Order of every element is finite. So you don't have to worry about negative side. You don't have to worry about power 0. Everything will come. So what is 15 power 4? How will you find? 15 power 4. Don't do any extra work. Don't do any extra work. Just do like this. What is 15? So that is 6. So that will be 6 plus 6 mod 2. 6 plus 6 mod 24. So don't do extra work. Please don't do extra work. So that will be 12. What will be 15 power 5? 12 plus, so that will be 3. 15 power 5 will be 3. 15 power 6, that will be 15 power 5 into 15. So that will be 18. What is 15 power 7? That will be 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15. Mod 24. So that will be 9. What is 15 power 8? That will be 9 plus 15. So finally it will be 0. So finally it will be 0. Now you can stop. Now you can stop. So tell me, what is the order of 15? First to tell me, what is order of 15? This number is the order of 15. Order of 15 is this number, this smallest value. So this number is the order of 15. And you can notice, can I say 15 is the generator? Can I say 15 is the generator? 15 is not a generator. You can clearly see 15 is not a generator. Because how many elements 15 can generate? So you can notice 15 can generate only these elements. 15 can generate 15, 15 can generate 6, 15 can generate 21, 12. Okay, so 6, 21, 12, 3, 18, 9. Okay, so 3, 18, 9, 0. So you can notice. So the order of 15, that is how many elements it can generate. Only 8 elements you can generate. You can notice because 5 power 8, that is a 0. and this is the smallest. So this is the idea. Is this question clear? So these questions are actually very easy. Next, what about this? The subgroup generated by 3 in U20. Subgroup generated by 3 in U20. This question number G. In U20 you are asking, and the subgroup generated by 3. What is the operation? The operation is multiplication modulo 20. So you don't have to worry. Remember, the operation is multiplication modulo 20. Here the operation will be multiplication modulo 18. So what will be the subgroup generated by 3? That will be 3 power 1. That is 3. 3 power 2. That will be 9. 3 power 3. So 27 mod 20. That will be 7. 3 power 4. 3 power 4. That will be 20. That will be 1. 3 power 4. That will be 1, right? Because what is 3 power 4? Don't waste time. 3 power 4. That means 3 power 3 into 3 power 1. 3 power 3 is 7. Okay. So what this means? 21 mod 20. And that will be 1. And that is your identity element, right? Yes or no? That is your identity element. See, 3 power 4. That is like this. That is 7 into 3. So that is 21 mod 20. And this is your identity element. So finally, I can say you can stop here. What is the inverse of 3? What this will be the inverse of 3. I told you this will be the inverse of 3. Inverse of 3 will be 7. So when you get identity element, stop. And you can say the order of 3. What is that? How many elements 3 can generate? 3 can generate only 4 elements. This 4, this is the smallest. You can notice this is the smallest positive integer. So order of 3 will be 4. So very simple. So can I say 3 is the generator? Can I say 3 is the generator? How many? What is the order of U20? Tell me order of U20. What is that? Order of U20. U20 means 1, 3. What is U20? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 9 will be there, right? 9 will be there, right? 9 will be there. You can check. Okay, 11 will be there, 13 will be there, 15 will not be there, 17 will be there, 19 will be there. I think this will be. So order of U20, that is basically 4 and 4, that will be 8. So order of U20, order of group is 8. But this 3 can generate 4 elements. So this 3 is not a generator. So this U20, can I say 3 is not a generator? So in this U20, I can say 3 is not a generator. So can I say 3 is not generator? So can I say this is not cyclic? 3 is not generator. Can I say this is not cyclic? No, because someone else can be the generator. I don't know. Maybe someone else is the generator. So you will have to check. Actually, you will have to check. So this is what, okay, so this 3 is not the generator. Now, this is a homework. Let me give you the homework. Homework. Is U20 a cyclic group? Do we have, basically, do we have any generator? This is your homework. Just take it as a homework. So you have to find order of every element. And that element whose order is 8, that element will be the generator. Okay, so you have to check whether there is a generator or not. This is your homework. Okay, so this question is done. Similarly, you can do this question. So take this question as homework. And what about this? What is the operation here? Tell me. R star. R star means non-zero real numbers. R star, that means non-zero reals. And what is the operation? The operation is multiplication. When see non-zero reals, then the operation must be multiplication, right? If you do addition, then it is not a group because this is non-zero reals. For non-zero reals, the operation will be multiplication. Agree or not? You cannot do addition because if you do addition, there is no identity element. So you can notice here also multiplication, here also multiplication, here also multiplication, here also multiplication. So these questions you can take as homework. Like first you tell me in R star what is generated by 7? Question number I. R star, that is non-zero real numbers, multiplication. What is the subgroup generated by 7? Tell me. Subgroup generated by 7, that will be 7 power. This is infinite. Because this is infinite, so you take care like this. 7 power 0, that will be the identity element. 7 power 1, that will be 7. 7 power 2, that will be 49. 7 power 3, that will be 7 power 3. 7 power 4, that will be 7 power 4. And what is 7 inverse? 7 inverse, that will be 1 by 7. 7 power minus 2, that will be 1 by 49, and so on. So what will be the subgroup generated by 7? What will be subgroup generated by 7? Remember, the 7 inverse is basically 1 by 7. So the subgroup generated by 7, what is that? I can say that is 7 power just integer, where n is integer. Just it. Very simple. Okay, 7 power minus 2, 7 power minus 3, and so on. So this will be the generated by 7. So tell me, this you tell me, what is the order of 7? Order of 7, infinite. Order of 7 will be infinite. This is infinite group, so you take care. And this 7 is not a generator, right? This is definitely not a generator. Is there any generator here in this R star comma multiplication? Is this cyclic? R star comma multiplication. Can I say this is cyclic group? Is there any element? No, this is not cyclic group because there is no generator. There is no element which can generate everything. There is no G such that it can generate all the elements. So you can notice there is no element which can generate everything. There is no element. Okay. So basically I can say there is no generator. Okay, just let's take this one. Just one of them I will take. So this example, let me take L. And this is saying that C star generated by, remember C star is what? This is your complex numbers. These are non-zero complex numbers. These are non-zero complex numbers. Complex numbers means iota will be there. Okay, the definition of complex number means the iota can be there. Like here you have iota. Okay, so the question is saying subgroup generated by 1 plus iota by root 2. Okay, this is interesting question. So let's see this L. So this is your, first of all, C star comma multiplication. So this is now, and the question is asking what is the subgroup generated by 1 plus iota divided by root 2. Okay, let's check it out. You tell me one by one. What is 1 plus iota root 2 power 0? What that is? Tell me. What that is, power 0. That will be the identity element. That will be the identity element. Okay. What is this power 1? What that will be? What that will be? That will be this itself. That will be this itself. And what will be its square? What will be its square? Because the operation is multiplication. The operation is multiplication. So what will be the square? The square will be, see, 1 plus iota whole square. That is your favorite formula. I hope this is your favorite formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus iota square, that will be 1 square plus 2 iota plus iota square. So that will be basically 2 iota. So I can say that it will be 2 iota and finally it will be iota. Okay, and next, what is 1 plus iota root 2 power 3? How will you find power 3? Tell me. How will you find power 3? So power 3 means already you know power 2. Power 2 is iota. Already you know power 2. Already you know power 2. Power 2 is iota. So just do this. So you don't have to, again, you don't have to find, because you already know power 2 is iota. Okay, so I can just call it, that will be iota minus 1 by root 2. Yes or no? That will be iota minus 1 by root 2. And what is 1 plus iota by root 2 power 4? What that will be? That will be iota into iota. That will be minus 1. That will be minus 1. Now, interesting thing. Okay, now just wait. Now just stop here and tell me, what do you think? What is the order of this? What is the order of this? What do you think? What is the order of this? That will be 8. Very good. Very good. Excellent. The order of this will be actually, because if you do 1 plus iota, okay, this power 8, if you do, then you will get 1, which is identity element. So what is order of this element? 1 plus iota divided by root 2. What is the order of this element? The order of this element, that will be 8. Is this clear? So if you notice, and I told you that if you have infinite group, this is infinite group. You can notice that this C star, comma multiplication, this is infinite group. But in this group, you can notice the order of this element. I told you that order of element can be finite or infinite, and the order of this element is 8. In an infinite group, can I say every element will have infinite order? Can I say every element will have order infinite? No. You can notice that this element has order 8. Is this clear to everyone? So if you find the subgroup generated by this, if you find, then there will be total 8 elements will be there. There will be total 8 elements. Let me call it D. Let me call it D. Then there will be D power 1. There will be D power 2. D power 2 is iota. There will be D power 3. There will be D power 4, which is minus 1. There will be D power 5 and so on. And finally, D power 8, that will be 1. Is this clear to everyone? So I think the remaining you can do. So these are some questions from a university, and these questions we have done. So this we have done, and the JKLM, JKM, these you can take as homework. See, every concept we have seen, every single concept. Did you understand? All these concepts one by one, very slowly I'm taking, like, okay, I am telling you everything, observations and all. So first we are making the observation. After making the observation, we are looking at the definition, we are looking at the theorem. So if anyone has any doubt, you should ask. Don't keep any doubt. In the group theory, you should definitely get 2 marks. In the GATE exam, you will get 2 marks from group theory, at least 2 marks. And this group theory is very easy.